Got our junkyard find, 1963 Dodge Dart 4-door. Some nice body work on the front here. I'm loving that. Got the good old reliable slant 6, 1-barrel variety. Somebody's ready to get the carburetor off it. Got bare bones everything under here, no air. Manual steering. Manual brakes. Someone was doing some body work on it before it got chunked. Bondo and primer everywhere. The custom wheel wells. 6 been here for a while. A lot of junk in the trunk. Door panels in the trunk. Trunk lid don't look terrible. Bumpers all beat the heck. Another custom wheel well. More body work. Sanding and Bondo. Little metal dashboard. Plastic steering wheel with some cracks in it. The ventilated floors. And the awesome red rubber floor mat that used to be. It's cracked beyond belief here. Good old headliner, still decent shape. These nice red and gold seats. Somebody added a seatbelt in this guy. More busted up floor mat. Got a cool red and gold seat. Glass don't look too bad in this guy. Not a whole lot left of this thing. VIN number's gone. Used to have a push button selector for the transmission. That's got all busted to hell. Bare basic heater controls. That glove box is empty. No goodies in there. Dome lens. Broken. Got 7 1/4 rear. This was a cool car at one time. Oh yeah, everything's gone off the hood too.